Dear student, today we will talk about character analysis in the story The Gift of Magi. The Gift of Magi is written by William Sidney Porter. He was born at Greensboro, North Carolina. This is the story of Christian time, and at that time Della wants to buy a gift for her husband Jim. So there are two main characters, Della and Jim. She wants to buy a gift for her husband. However, she has only $1.87 with her. Jim's income has been reduced from $30 to $20 a week. So both husband and wife, Jim and Della, wants to buy Christmas gift for each other. Della rushes out again to sell her hair to a big shop. She has $20, just enough to buy a platinum fob chain she had seen in a shop window. Jim returns home, sees Della, and finds himself in an inconvenient position. He embraces Della and assures her that he still loves her and gives her the gift he has brought for her. Tearing it eagerly, Della finds a set of combs that she has often admired in a Broadway show. Hiding her tears, Della hands over her gift, the platinum fob chain, to Jim. Jim looks at her with infinite love and patience and suggests that they should put away their presents for a while, as he has sold his gold watch to buy combs to her. So this is the story of Jim and Della. The story ends with the narrator comparing the pair's mutually sacrificial gifts of love and those of the biblical Magi. So in today's video we will talk about the character analysis of the two main characters, Della and Jim. Della Dillingham Young is a youngest housewife. Though Della and her husband Jim are poor, Della still wants to buy him a nice gift to her, so she sells her beautiful hairs to buy a gift for his husband Jim. Jim Dillingham Young is Della's husband, who bears the burden of supporting himself and his wife on a meager income. He sells his prized heirloom watch in order to afford a set of beautiful combs for Della. So first we will talk about the character of Della. Della Dillingham Young is a young housewife who lives in a small apartment in New York City with her husband Jim. Della has been carefully saving money in order to buy a Christmas gift for Jim, but she is dismayed to discover that she has only collected $1.87. Determined to buy Jim a gift that is worthy of their love, Della decides to sell her beautiful hair. This represents a great sacrifice for Della, as her hair is the only valuable things she owns. However, rather than confronting the loss of her hair with sadness or regret, Della instead trips by on rosy wings as she searches out the perfect gift for Jim. So, Della is the protagonist of the story, and the narrative follows her point of view. As such, readers are given access to her oftentimes tumultuous emotions, ranging from her grief to grief or grief to joy to fear. Her feminine change to hysterical tears and wails in the aftermath of receiving the combs encapsulates her predilection for dramatist. However, though she is prone to outbursts of emotion, Della also proves to be both resourceful and optimistic. After lamenting her meager savings with which to purchase Jim's gift, she arrives at the creative solution of selling her hair. The narrator also emphasizes her bright and ardent spirit as she presents Jim with his new watch chain. Her smiles her smile undimmed by the realization that she cannot put her new combs to use just yet. Della loves Jim deeply, and her selfless decisions to sacrifice for hair in order to buy him a gift grants her, at least in the narrator's eye, a wisdom on par with the biblical magi. For the Dillingham Youngs, misfortunes and poverty are temporary states. Though their gifts are functionally useless at present, Della knows that her hair will someday grow back, representing the young couple's shared hopes of their future. So, this is the character of Della. There is a question, is Della too devoted? Yes, Della so devoted, in fact, you might be a little bit bothered. It might be difficult to define Della apart from Jim. She lives for her husband, but it looks like her husband might live only for her too. After all, he sacrifices his gift, which is a precious object that's been passed down through his family for generations, to get her a gift. And given how humble their circumstances are, how hard his work be, it is not clear what else he would have to live for besides Della. So, is Jim as devoted to Della as Della is devoted to Jim? It is likely that he is. So, now we will discuss the character of Jim. Jim Dillingham Young is Della's husband. Though he is only 22 years old, he is very thin and serious looking, troubled by poverty and burdened with a family. In spite of his circumstances, however, he has a happy and loving relationship with his wife. Together, they have turned their $8 a week apartment into a sanctuary of warmth and hope. Jim works long hours for a minimal pay, but Della always greets him with an affectionate hug when he arrives home. In turn, Jim does his best to provide for Della, and he even willingly sacrifices his prized watch in order to buy a gift for Della. Della compares Jim to the platinum watch by indicating that both possesses quietness and value. Jim is simple, hard-working man who forgoes meritorious ornamentation in favor of understated goodness. His physical circumstances are unimpressive, but his relationship with Della is warm and loving, and Della is able to see his value despite his understated demeanor. So, Jim sells his beautiful watch to buy a gift for Della. So, these are the two main characters of the story, The Gift of Magi, Jim and Della. There are also some characters, as Madame Solfne is the owner of hair shop, which we are told sells hair goods of all kinds. She is large, white, and chilly. Her manner is direct and to the point. She doesn't give off any signs of being impressed by Della's gorgeous hair and casually offers to buy it for $20. Sovereign's attitude creates a sharp contrast to that of Della and Jim. For both of them, Della's hair is a prized possession, her only prized possession, and Della's sale of it amounts to an enormous sacrifice. None of this matters to Magnum, for whom it's just another business transaction, which will perhaps fetch a bit more profit. You could say she represents the cold, uncaring world which exists outside the heaven of love, Della and Jim. She also represents a very different way of valuing things purely for money they fetch. So, this is the character analysis of the story, The Gift of Magi.